Last weekend, I had an unplanned travel, and I was traveling with my daughter, and this unplanned travel led to a lot of things or the pending things that needs to be done, the reschedulings of a lot of calls just because I was traveling. So this whole thing reminds me of certain aspects of business, and I'd like to share that today with you. Well, this is day 33 of what's happening on my desk as a business coach and as an entrepreneur. Now, as you know, as a business coach, you have to keep on learning every single day. This is something that I have understood, and this has made me more dynamic, to be approachable to people, to talk, to know more trends or to know more stuff happening in different industries, so that I gain knowledge about guiding my clients. And one such experience happened this time when I was traveling. So when I was traveling, it was all solo with my daughter, and I just had someone sitting next to me in the flight, and he was from the IT industry, a very good professional to talk to, and definitely a very good man to be with for 1.5 hours of flight. Okay, so we discussed a lot of things which are coming up as trends specifically in AI, and there was one particular insight that he gave me about AI, that he told that, however the businesses and the big businesses also are trying to evolve via AI, the main important thing is to learn or to adapt using AI. So there's one thing that he told me, that in previous times what used to happen was that even if the elder employees, that means the experienced employees, were not trained in a particular technology, someone from the younger ones could do that work for them. But today, with the AI or the generative AI softwares that have come in, all the international companies are looking forward to their CEOs also getting adapted to AI ways of running a business. So this is something that we were discussing on around for 1 hour with him, and it was all crazy, where we were talking about tech, we were talking about higher management in the business. I'll keep you updated about more of this in the coming reels. For now, this is the update. I'll see you in another video. Signing off, Coach Sakshi.